everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra, and today we are going to be unboxing the Planner's Anonymous subscription for Chapter 6. So, my box is actually in pretty good condition. I might use it as a storage box, and I can keep this in the basement. I might start doing that. Anyway, I'm going to open it up. And so what I like to do is I generally like to take the plastic off on all of my things. So I'm going to quickly do that and then we will be right back. Okay, guys, we are all done. I have a huge mess here in front of me. And I forgot about this kit. And you guys, I am so excited for this. I think this is going to be one of my favorites. And yeah, I completely forgot about this one, so I'm very, very excited. So please bear with me while I grab my bearings here. I think we'll go through the papers first because I've got them out. Yeah, very exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the kit. It's Chapter 6 and it's called Lakeside Reflections. Oh, I am in love. I love, love, love. And normally I'm not a green person. And here's one of my dilemmas too, and I'll probably talk about this in like an upcoming Franklin video. It is that this year I had decided for my themes for my planner that I would create my own themes. So last year, September, October, November, I was doing some brainstorming and coming up with themes for my planner and which planner binder I would use, what theme I would do, and it was all correlating with my sticker craft and my planner charm craft. So, and though I sell those on Etsy. And so what my theme was that I would make a theme based on certain whatever I decided to come up with each month, and that would be what I would put in my planner. So you'd think, oh, you'd use those things in your planner. And sometimes I use the charms, but I don't always use the stickers. And I've been preferring to go on Etsy and order from small retailers and other small businesses such as myself to help support the local community, but also because I like a variety of things. And that's what I've been doing. The problem with it is it's very expensive. So I'm paying for the planner charms in order to make them because planner charms, while like the charms themselves are not expensive, when I buy them in bulk, they are. And also, I've also been spending a lot on Etsy to try to come up with all of the things. So I usually try to stick with printables, which is the cheapest route. But I've been getting some like various like bows and clips and charms and like stickers and dashboards from different small creators, and some of them actually have come from like the UK. So they're not like the cheapest, and I think that if I were to stick with themes from Planners Anonymous, it would be a lot cheaper because I've already got all of the things, right? Especially if I do the quarterly kits, and I actually didn't buy quarter two, so I still might have to go back and get that. But so anyway, so this is what I'm thinking about for next year, and I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do, because now that I've got like a whole year of Planner Anonymous themes, because I got chapter 1 and I'll have up to chapter 12 or whatever she does. I'll have all of the charms, I'll have all of the stickers, I'll have all of the washi tapes. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just go back and do that to save money for 1 year, because I won't have to like go on Etsy and buy stuff. But I'm also need to figure out some way to develop themes for my shop too. So and I like doing the shop themes and then like doing the theme in my planner for that month. So yeah, I haven't decided yet, but this theme is amazing and I love it. And it would go with my binder that I'm using right now. But anyway, so without further ado, let's go through the papers. So the first one here is s'mores. It's marshmallows. Oh, this makes me want to have a toasted marshmallow right now. So it's got gooey, lit, melting, toasted, fluffy, fired up. So just a whole bunch of words with some marshmallows on a stick. And the color of this, the smush painting on the back, the pattern is light brown. Toasted marshmallow. Oh, I love this. That is so beautiful. I wonder if that's in the vellum. Oh, I hope so. Okay, so I love this so much. That is so pretty. Okay, and that color on the back is blue. And then we've got some of these water lilies. Are they water lilies? I don't know. Pink on that back. That's actually pretty. Okay, and then we've got the picture frame with the flowers, the water lilies. all the pictures. Horseback riding, I love that too. That one's got green on the back. Oh, okay, so another page is the tree scene. So this is going through the forest. This one's dark green. Okay, so the vellum is not. The vellum is this watercolor scene, which isn't terrible. I'm not completely displeased with that. But it would have been nice if it had been the lakeside serene scene. That was so pretty. So the acetate on top is all clear except for the bottom, which just has the water lilies, and that doesn't look terrible together. So I would use that. The other option is if you had this lakeside one and you put the acetate on top of that. I don't know if that looks good, but yeah, it's okay. I feel like I'm a paper snob a little bit, and I shouldn't be, but you know, I can because I pay good money for this stuff, right? Okay, so anyway, those are beautiful. I have to say this is like probably one of my favorite. Whoops, sorry, what's that? I had some static going on there. This is probably one of my favorite kits for this year so far. Okay, next we have the stamps. So again, I'm not big on the stamps because I don't use them at all. Like I haven't even tried using the stamps from Planners Anonymous, and I've got a lot of stamps. But these are the stamps. Who knows, maybe when I'm older, maybe I will get into stamping and love to use them and do some watercolor with the stamps or coloring in when I get bored, when the kids leave the nest. We'll see. Okay, next we have, well, I like to show these together. Okay, so these are the art cards. This one is glossy and more colorful, and this one is a little bit less glossy. It's not glossy at all, and the colors are a little bit less, like they're more distorted. That's because they come from two separate suppliers, is what I heard Sammy say before. And this girl's name is Aretha. Okay, and then there's a letter on the back, and then there's all the die cuts in there. Now, I like the idea of using the kits each month, so that might be one of my ideas for next year. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it's definitely save money because I've already got the kits, right? And actually, I was thinking, if you guys, are you familiar with Cocoa Daisy? If I end up quitting Jane's Agenda, so Jane's Agenda, they're no longer offering half letter unpunched as of after December for the subscription kit. I wish they had like a non-planner option where you could just get like the goodies. And they kind of do, like if you get the lifestyle box, they kind of do, but it still comes with the cover, I'm pretty sure. I can't remember now, but you still get all of the goodies. But a lot of the planner covers and the pouches, I'm getting kind of done. Like I'm getting over because there's so many every month. But I haven't decided, and I haven't decided what I want my work planner to look like either. But anyway, if I do, I was thinking, what about Cocoa Daisy? Cocoa Daisy is, they have lots of different options available. And I was really liking the theme. So I might jump from Jane's Agenda to Cocoa Daisy and keep Planners Anonymous, depending what they do for next year. Anyway, haven't decided. But I love the idea of using this kit for next year. So it might be a transition period for me next year. I still will stay with Franklin, though. I'm not leaving Franklin. I think I'm a diehard. Okay, so a moment of quiet reflection. I think I got a scratch on this card here. It's fine. Lakeside Reflections, Planners Anonymous. So this is a washi tape card, or it can be a bookmark. You can put a ribbon in this. It can be a cute little bookmark. Okay, then the little cards here. I love these. I've been learning to love these. And they're perfect if you get a wide enough pocket. Put them like on if you have like the clear or the frosted dividers, put a little pocket on there and then put these inside, and it's so cute. Okay, so this one says, take the scenic route. I love that. Here's a smushed flower on lake time. That's nice too. It says, just jump in. It's got the watercolor water lily. You're getting toasted instead of getting roasted. It's nice. And I really want a toasted marshmallow right now. This is the picture one, and on the back it says, my favorite adventure in life is. And this one is probably my favorite one. It says hashtag quiet reflection. I love these ones that look like little paper. Okay, so that is the little cards. And then of course you have your little notepad, which I love the fact that it's graph. and then the sticky notes. Okay, they look like a little piece of paper, and they always have the flower of the month on there. Okay, so I'm going to do the washi tape before I dive into the stickers. I always like doing this part, and I've been using my business journal for this. So I just go to the back of it. So far I've got, well, these were the old kits. This was like November, December. This was December, January. And then this was January. So this was like, chapter 1. This was chapter 2, chapter 3, I believe, chapter 4, chapter 5. This was the sad one. And now we're on to chapter 6, Lakeside Reflection. So I'm just going to put all of these out, and then we'll talk about it here in a minute. Okay, so you guys, here is the washi tape. So the one with the words says reflections, one foot in front of the other, go with the flow. Very similar to this color, actually, not too far off. Then the paint smush one. Okay, I think they're meant to look like the flowers. Like this one was meant to look like flowers, I think. This one just looks like paint smush. Here's the marshmallow one, the picture one, and then of course my favorite one, which is the torn washi, and that is with the water lilies. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I could see myself using this next year. I do a Hobonichi, and I use washi tape in my Hobonichi a lot, so I could see myself doing this for an entire month. And the good thing about doing it next year is that I already have all the kits. So see, for example, I was going to use this kit for July. Wait, what month is July? January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, see, June was the 6th month, and this is just chapter 6. So I would be using this. I don't know what I would have done for the first of the year, but I would have been using this for July. But I just got it. Today is July 4th. So if I'd wanted to use this for July, I wouldn't have been able to, because I did my plan with me last week and I did all of that stuff then. So I don't know if that would have worked. So anyway, so that is it for the washi tape. And now we move on to the stickers. So this is the last little piece in the kit. I think we'll go through the decorative ones first, and then we'll get to the weeks. So first you have Take the Journey. So here is Aretha, okay, and this is the tent. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this. This is Find Your Fire and Light Your Path. Okay. This is a clear one. I love this. I love the frog. Oh my gosh. And the little minis. Those are absolutely adorable. This piece is cut out here, even though it's pretty small. All of the words and the headers. Okay, and this is the word Fetty one. This is the squares. This is the speech bubbles and some of the icons and the round circles, and then the folding planner sticker. This is the one that you can tear up. I wouldn't though. I would probably put this in my Hobonichi because this is so pretty. This is like my favorite scene. I love that. So beautiful. But you're supposed to be able to tear it up and put it in the corner of like your planner or whatever. I probably wouldn't do that though. Or you could rip it in half right here, right above the boat, and then use the boat for like the bottom half of the page and then like that for the top. I don't know. That's an idea. These stickers are beautiful. The stickers, I don't mind that they don't have foil on them. I wish the washi tape did, but the stickers I don't mind terribly. Okay, so this is week 1. So they're in the mountains. It looks like they are just going camping. They're bird watching. Oh, I wish I was here. Here's a bear. Oh my gosh, and a bird and a horse. Yes, I want to be here right now. Okay, week 2, they're toasting marshmallows. Now I want a marshmallow. The tent, little lights, frying pan. This is the decorative page. So you get one weekly page and then a decorative page. There's the bear again, camp stove. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. I wish I was here. Okay, then this is when they're on the water. So here's a picture of a boat. I love that. You can put that together. That is so beautiful. I want to use this kit now. Okay, and then the decorative page for that, so on the water. And then I think this is the last one. So this is the reflection one when she's going to journal. And then the flower page. And then the last, again, this is one I would probably rip up because it's just a pattern. So you can add some decorative like corners and stuff. But yeah, that is this hands down my favorite kit. I love this kit so much. And now the more I'm thinking about it, the more I want to do that for next year. I'm excited though, because I want to see, like, every time you get a planner company, you always want to see what they're doing for the next year. Like, I mean, they might not be doing the same thing, but I think it's time for a switch. I don't know. What do you guys think? I could always stick with Jean's Agenda for my work planner, but I don't know if I'd be getting the subscription box anymore, because if I do decide to go to Cocoa Daisy, then it'll be me collecting Cocoa Daisy stuff, and then I just don't know what I'm doing. Or I guess I could switch back and forth, and I could do like an old Planners Anonymous kit 1 month, and then the next month I could do Cocoa Daisy. It just sucks because when you find a company that you really like and then you want to work with them, it's nice when you're actually using the products, you know, to showcase them, and then that's when you can kind of like do the affiliate thing. But right now, like, I'm not affiliated with Planners Anonymous. I just really enjoy the products, right? So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. But that being said, you guys, we are all done looking at this beautiful box. I just put everything back the way I'm going to store it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe. And if you're not new and you just haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And last, click on the bell button to be notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.